Friends, today I'm going to start a recipe for a dinner. I'm preparing my dinner recipe. So for this, actually the first recipe I'm going to tell me this one already I have in my blog. Still I need to share some video. So today I'm doing this is very popular recipe in Bengali and fried potatoes, and it's called like in Bengali it is called jhuri aloo bhaja. So how it will be prepared, and I will be telling you today. For that, which ingredients you need, I'm telling one by one. Just few ingredients only you need for this. Mostly means you need only potato, as because it is a potato recipe. So what you have to do, if you have food processor, you have to grate your potatoes like this way. Okay, if you don't have food processor, then you can grate it in graters. Many kinds of graters are available in market, so you can grate with that graters. After grating all this, you have to wash it properly. Then you have to soak in water with little salt and turmeric powder for few minutes. Not I will tell for half an hour you have to soak it in turmeric powder with salt. Okay, in water you have to soak it. So after half an hour you can try this recipe. So for this, what you need more, you need some oil. White oil I'm using here. Some people like to use mustard oil also, but today I'm using white oil. And how you have to, there is a process to make this recipe, which is like, now I'm going to tell you. You have to squeeze this thing nicely, okay, and you have to separate it from that watery bowl. This way you have to squeeze the excess water, and you have to keep it in separate bowl. See, it will be this before going to fry. Okay, this way you have to separate all the potatoes, and then I'm telling what you have to do next. Please stay tuned. After squeezing all the excess water, you will get this kind of potatoes. Now you have to fry it. So heat the oil. You have to, I'm using here white oil, as I said, on gas. Very popular recipe and very tasty also. And remember friends, that you have to add enough salt. Whenever you are soaking in water, you have to add enough salt, so that you should not add it later. Okay, so add oil in frying pan. You have to deep fry this, so you need much oil over here. Yes, let it hit all. Let hit the oil properly. Now you have to add grated potatoes. Add it like this way, so that it can't make lumps. Leave it for a while. Once the oil gets heated, you have to cook and fry it in medium flame. Sometimes you have to saute also, but very slowly. It should turn in color reddish. Then we will understand that it's done. See, can you see? It's becoming red now. It is turning into red, so you have to remove from heat now. drain excess water properly. So friend, this is the fried potatoes. It's very tasty. You can try with dal, bomb rice, and this one. Today I'm going to prepare another dish with this fried potatoes. I will serve dal, and very common dal. And one more thing I would share, that is the new recipe to me. Katla mach I am using over here for with that recipe. With that katla mach I will use some roasted katla I'm going to make today. So it's a very new recipe to me. I think it will be very tasty also, because I have I have come to know that from my sister only. In her house it frequently it's gets ready. So I'm very much excited about that. Let's see, I will share with you definitely. Till now it's your recipe, and I will show you one thali also along with that recipe. So let's wait, and I will be coming after a few minutes back. Okay, after a few minutes later. Okay, sorry. So till then, take care and bye.